Today we are at Puspa Iptek Sundial.
1. Push the button to turn on the laser and music. 2. Point the laser at one of the 3 sensors, small holes, whether directly or by reflecting using the mirrors. Listen the music from the related speaker. This exhibit shows how a radio signal is transported by high-energy light. As the sensor receives the laser, speaker will turn on and make sounds. As a wave, laser can be modulated to carry other signals, like sound, music, or even images. This exhibit takes advantage one of the traits of waves, which is it can be reflected. One laser can be reflected to aim in the sensors. The mirrors can be arranged so that the laser reflection is more accurate.
That's it for today. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.